All right, guys, here it is, the 2022 350 XCF. Definitely one of my favorite bikes. I love the 350 platform. First of all, if you are new to the KTM group brands, if you're not familiar with 350s, you're getting into woods racing, something like that, you have to try a 350 before you make any decision on a bike, because they are, I call them the sweet spot, but they are such a sweet, do-it-all, versatile platform. Yeah, so this thing looks great for 2022. KTM's goal was to add in the blue to make the bike a little closer to the Red Bull factory team look, and they did a great job. Graphics are fantastic this year. Blue seat, I don't love it on the motocrossers with the black tank, but on the off-roaders with the natural tank, that blue seat looks fantastic. Love it. Obviously, if you guys watch any of my other videos, you know I'm a huge fan of the orange frames. I wish they'd just do it every year. Sweet bike, comes with the AT81 tires. I believe there was a shim stack update for 2022 in the forks. There's a new counterbalancer bearing this year. They moved it from a needle to a plain bearing so to be less friction, better longevity. So that's cool. You know, this will probably be the last bike of this generation, and they're still doing little updates, trying to make it a little bit better every year. It's definitely cool. Now, a lot of people don't always remember that the XCF and the SXF, when you're talking about 350s, they have a different transmission. This has the 6-speed transmission, where the SXF has the 5. Now, in the 450s, that isn't true. They are the same, but in the 250s and 350s, they are different. So it'll give you a little different feel depending on what kind of riding you're doing. So it's not universal for everybody. Some guys like the SXFs better off-road. Some guys like the XCFs better off-road. So you really need to try to ride both if you can and see. Just such a sharp bike. Obviously the ODI lock-on grips stock. They come stock with an hour meter. Any of you KTM guys, they're familiar, will know this, but some of you guys new to the brand might not. This is just some stuff that KTM gives you up front that some of the other brands don't. So yeah, I don't have a lot to tell you today about updates and stuff, because it is pretty much the same bike, but basically the point of this video is to tell you to be excited, because we can expect huge updates probably next year. So, alright guys, definitely subscribe, hit the like button. The next video that drops is going to be first cold start of this bike, which I'm going to walk over and shoot in just a moment. So, if you don't want to miss any of these 2022 models coming out, subscribe, like, comment down below, tell me what you think, and we'll see you in the next video.